Is this an
Thank
arraignment,
you.
ma'am?
It is an arraignment. You understand you have the right to have an attorney represent you at this arraignment?
Yes, and I would like one. I was placed on 72-hour hold April 26th, Friday, for child support or charges. So I'm being charged on Sunday.
Mr. Fesette, you're being charged with assaulting, resisting, obstructing a police officer, which is a felony that has a maximum possible penalty of up to 2 years imprisonment and/or a $2,000 fine. You also, however, have a habitual fourth offense notice, which would enhance your possible maximum sentence. So you should probably speak with the attorney so they can fully explain all of this to you, as well as your rights. We can get you in front of the camera so they can do that. They can explain everything to you. And then
I would like to be in front of a law judge, a real judge.
Sir, you have the right to have an attorney represent you. You also have the right to speak at your arraignment. However, I've muted you momentarily so that I can explain your rights to you and ascertain whether or not you would like to speak with counsel. I'm going to be respectful to you, and I'm going to give you a chance to speak, but I'm going to speak, and then I will give you a chance to be heard, sir. But first, I'm going to advise you of your rights. Please be silent so that you can hear them as I give them to you. Okay? You have a right to remain silent. All right? If you choose to exercise your right to remain silent, no one can penalize you for that in the future. The prosecutor cannot comment about that in the future. You have the right to be presumed innocent until you are proven guilty, right? You have the right to have witnesses appear at your trial if you choose to have one. You have the right to have the prosecutor prove the charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to question witnesses. You have the right to ask the court to order witnesses to appear for you if you have someone you'd like to appear as this case goes on. All right? And you also have the right to testify if you wish to do so. Now, I've already told you what you're charged with, so I will now allow you to speak. All right? We do not have defense counsel representing Mr. Fesette today. Do you have a position as to bond?
Yes, Your Honor. The people have no objection to a personal bond, but we're asking for tether house arrest, Your Honor, based on the fact that he spit on an officer, arm and jacket. He was allegedly going in the backyard of a home. At this point, I noted in the APA's notes, they didn't charge him for the home invasion because they couldn't contact the complainant, so I don't know what's going to occur at that point. But I do note a history of a 2015 and a 2017 OWI third and a fleeing and eluding in there in 2017. For this matter, I'm asking for high personal bond